In this video, I will show you how to use the Ace Money Transfer app. So first you want to go and download the app on your phone and then open it up and click on join. Now in the last video I created about Ace Money Transfer, I showed you how to create an account. So if you cannot figure that out on your own, I'll leave a link to that video down in the description, and that will basically help you get to this screen where you have already created your account. Now, after you create your account, what we are going to do is, of course, send money, since that's what Ace Money Transfer is for. So to do this, just click on the red Send Money button in the bottom. And then here, first select the receiving country. For example, I will go with India, but you can pick any of these right here. Then you can choose a payout method. So that's basically how your recipient will receive the money. So I can choose a bank account, in cash, or through an airtime top-up. Now I'm just going to pick a bank account. Now here I can pick different types of bank accounts. For example, I will go with Bank Deposit India 1 hour service. Now here you can choose how much you would like to send, either in your own currency or in the currency of your recipient. Now for example, I will enter 25 euros. Now just go and click on next. Now here where it says select receiver, click add new. And here enter your receiver's info. So first you want to go and enter their first and last name, then their phone number, the relationship you have with them. So you can pick that right here. For example, brother, husband, mother, nephew, sister, whatever, or even a work colleague. And then you can pick your own gender. And then after that you will get to the bank info. So after clicking on save, if you chose to deposit into their bank account, you will now need to choose their bank. So for example, I'll go with Axis Bank, then choose their branch. So you can see all of these branches, just pick the one that they have. It's easier to just search for it. For example, I'll just take this one and then enter their account number and click on save. So once you've done this, you will need to enter your sending reason. For example, I'll go with family support, and now you can choose how you would like to pay for Ace. So I have these three options. I will go with ideal and click yes, I agree. And then just swipe the Ace It button in the bottom. And now you will see incomplete profile. Kindly update your profile to complete the transfer. It will take less than 60 seconds. So click proceed. Now here you want to go and select a document to verify your identity. So for example, I can pick an EU ID card, driving license, passport, or a resident card. For example, I will pick a passport, then click proceed. Then here you want to go and upload an image of the front side of your ID, and then here enter your ID number, issue date, expiry date, and delivery country. Then simply click save, and then there are a few more steps, but it's really fast. And after you complete that, you can simply go and confirm the transfer and pay for it, and then you have successfully used Ace Money Transfer to send money internationally. So now you know how to use the Ace Money Transfer app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.